Welcome to a new adventure with us. This is Mongolia. Mongolia does not try to impress you in obvious ways. Instead, it reveals itself slowly, one breathtaking landscape at a time. Vast, quiet, and untamed, it is a land where the horizon seems endless, and time slows to the rhythm of the wind and the hoofbeats of wandering horses. In the homeland of Genghis Khan, ancient nomadic traditions continue to shape everyday life. You won't find crowded skylines or bustling cityscapes here. Instead, you'll discover open spaces, free-roaming herds, and a culture deeply connected to nature. Mongolia is more than a destination. It is an experience, a journey into vastness, silence, and soul, where every mile invites you to reconnect with the world and with yourself. Welcome to the breathtaking sand dunes of Mongolia, where endless golden waves of sand meet the vast open sky. In this adventure, we'll explore the stunning landscapes, take in the incredible scenery, and experience the thrill of walking across these towering dunes before sliding down their sandy slopes. Join us as we discover one of Mongolia's most spectacular natural wonders. Thank you for visiting. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell to let you know of a new episode. Support us with your likes, and thank you for sharing this video with your friends. Today we are taking you on an unforgettable journey to Mongolia's Semi-Gobi Desert, a vast open landscapes, rolling sand dunes, and nomadic culture, together in one unique experience. Our adventure began with one of the most exciting highlights, the sand dunes.
So what? Is it all right with our shoes? Okay. And this side. Okay.
As we arrived, we were greeted by towering waves of sands and a vast, quiet landscape stretching to the horizon. Walking on the soft sand was far more challenging than it looked.
Oh, wow, strong. I don't know. It's very hard.
With every step upward, our feet sank into the shifting dunes, making it feel like we were taking 2 steps forward and 1 step back.
It's difficult to walk.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I will get to the other
The climb required real effort as the loose sand constantly gave way beneath us.
Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Woo! My goodness. My goodness. It's hard to walk in the sun. Classmates.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, my friends, to visit my Mongolian.
Yes.
And a beautiful country.
Yeah, it's a beautiful country.
At the top of the sand dunes, we took a moment to pause and simply take in the breathtaking surroundings. From above, the vast Semi-Gobi landscape stretched endlessly in every direction, creating a sense of peace and wonder. We had small conversations, sharing our reactions and enjoying the quiet moment together. Of course, we also took time for picture taking, capturing memories with sweeping desert views as our backdrop. Standing there on top of the dunes, surrounded by silence and endless horizon, felt like a truly special moment in our journey through Mongolia.
Walking in the Gobi Desert. Look.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
While my companions carefully walked down step by step, I decided to try something different.
Can I slide down?
Slide down.
Oh, yes.
Oh, okay. I get that. I get Can you do that?
Woo!
Instead of walking, I sat on the soft sand and let gravity take
Ay!
over.
Saluin mo ako! Sasaluin!
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Slowly I slipped and slid down the dune, laughing the whole way. Turned out to be one of the most fun and unforgettable moments of our entire trip.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Help! Help!
After the thrill of the dunes, we continued our journey to a local animal farm.
Hello! This is the barn.
Spring is a special season in Mongolia because many animals are born this time. We were delighted to meet adorable baby goats, and we even had the chance to carry a baby goat. One of the most heartwarming moments of our visit to the animal farm was meeting the newborn baby goats. It was such a heartwarming experience, filled with simple joy and connection with nature.
What is
It is
that?
amazing to think that these little animals had only recently entered the world and were already capturing everyone's hearts. They were so tiny, soft, and incredibly precious. Holding the baby goats brought a sense of joy and tenderness that is difficult to describe. As we gently held them in our arms, we couldn't help but smile. Their cute little sounds and curious eyes made the moment even more special. For a few moments, everything seemed to slow down. We simply enjoyed being present, appreciating the innocence of these young animals and the peaceful surroundings of the Mongolian countryside. As we posed for photos, we shared laughter and excitement. Their playful expressions and gentle nature made the experience even more memorable. Standing there with a baby goat in each of our arms, surrounded by the vast open landscape of the Semi-Gobi, felt like one of those simple yet meaningful travel moments that stay with you long after the journey ends. It reminded us that sometimes the most unforgettable experiences are not the grand attractions, but the small, heartfelt encounters that connect us with nature and the world around us. Without a doubt, holding those two adorable baby goats became one of the highlights of our Semi-Gobi Desert adventure, and a memory we will cherish for years to come.
Thank you.
Our final stop in the Semi-Gobi Desert was a visit to a local nomadic family. As we approached their home, we saw a traditional gur, the circular dwelling that has served as the home of Mongolian nomads for centuries. From the outside, it appeared simple, but stepping inside revealed a warm and surprisingly comfortable living space. The interior of the gur was thoughtfully arranged. At the center was a stove used for heating and cooking, an essential feature during Mongolia's long and cold winter. Around the walls were colorful furniture, beds, storage cabinet, and personal belongings.
In the middle.
Yes, because you're VIP.
As guests, we were warmly welcomed by the family and invited to sit inside.
What is this? Oh, it's cookies, right?
This is traditional yogurt.
One of the most touching aspects of Mongolian culture is their hospitality.
Yeah, milk butter. This is traditional.
The family welcomed us with erol, a traditional Mongolian dried milk curd. It was our first time trying this unique dairy snack, giving us a taste of an important part of Mongolia's food culture. We are also offered suti tsai, a traditional Mongolian milk tea that is enjoyed throughout the country. Sitting inside the gur, enjoying traditional snacks and tea and learning about Mongolian customs reminded us that travel is not only about seeing beautiful places.
This Indian means for friendship countries.
This was one of the experiences we had been looking forward to the most because it gave us the opportunity to learn about the traditional way of life that has been passed down through generations in Mongolia. It is also about connecting with people, understanding different cultures, and appreciating the values that bring communities together. This visit to a nomadic family was more than just a stop on our journey. It was a meaningful cultural experience and one of the most memorable moments of our Semi-Gobi Desert adventure.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures around Mongolia and beyond. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you again the next journey.